Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I do have a massive playlist linked down below where I do literally full faces, haul videos, ranking videos. All those types of videos are on my channel, girl. So if you love Dollar Tree, you're going to want to stick around. I have a whole massive Dollar Tree makeup collection, which I did go through with you guys recently. So if you want to watch that, it's going to be down below. LA Colors full face, Dollar Tree full face, all of that is in my channel now. So if you want to watch those, it's going to be in that playlist down below. But today we have a little bit of a girly Dollar Tree haul. Some of these things I came across a couple days ago, and then we also do have a little bit of a Juicy Couture moment in the beginning of this video. So if you want to see the products that I picked up this time around, just keep on watching. First product I want to talk about is this Juicy Couture Viva La Body Lotion, and this is the only like non-Dollar Tree product in this video, but I did want to talk about it before we get into it. This was from Marshall's, I believe. No, this was from TJ Maxx, and it was like $16.99. I just thought it was beautiful, and I love, of course, the pink bow caught my attention. I love the box, and the actual lotion is really pretty as well. This is so cute. It does come with a little jade charm right here, and it is a hot pink. It says Viva La Juicy. On the side you do get Juicy Couture. It's like a really nice size as well. And as you guys, if you guys watch my empties video, you guys saw that I just finished my other Juicy Couture lotion. So I was like, let's just go ahead and pick up another one. I love them. And this one is really beautiful as well. I love the packaging. Now I have yet to like actually try it on my skin. So why don't we do that now? Okay, girl. Okay, let's blend this in. Oh, it's nice. It's like nice and rich. I hate a very like gloopy kind of formula. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Okay, I'm so glad I picked this up. Yes, okay, that's beautiful. And again, it goes and fits in perfectly in my collection, so love that. Just went ahead and added her right there. Okay, let's get into the more miscellaneous things as always. First off, I did need some more tissues, so I went ahead and bought these from Smart Care. These are the facial tissues in the Barbie style. These are so cute. You guys have seen this on my channel. I just like to buy these cutesy ones from Dollar Tree. And I also did want to pick up this one here. Not very my style, but I thought like, why not? These are from, again, the same line, Smart Care, but these are the Squishmallow version. I just thought it was cute. Nice cute little pictures on it, so I went ahead and bought these two tissue boxes. I also did need to repurchase this. I do use this in the shower, as I mentioned in some of my other videos. I have the hot pink one. This time around I did want to repurchase that one, but they only had this like pale pink, so I just went ahead and picked it up. This is the just this brush, and I love to use this as like a shower brush. So when I am shampooing my hair, I go in with this brush in the shower. I love that it has a little like corner there where you can just hang it wherever. So I did go ahead and repurchase this because my other one's just been used and it's just really old. So, and there's a look at the back of the brush. There's it outside the packaging. I also was in need of a loofah recently. I just went ahead and purchased it from Target, but I did want to have a backup. This is the April Bath and Shower bath sponge. So good. And I always buy this pink one here, and they also do have like different colors. They have like purple and blue and stuff, so I just needed to have this as a backup in my little like body care section because I go through these a lot as well. I don't have any more like bath stuff, but I also did buy this Premier Plus 7-day pill organizer. I just thought the color was cute. I remember they used to have purple. This time around they only had like this orange like Halloween shade, and then they had this like beautiful like green, so I just went ahead and picked this one up. And these are just things that I like to have, especially for my purse. And again, the shading is really pretty. It's this beautiful green moment, and yeah, I just like to have that just in case. So I do have some like hair things as well. I did come across these snap clips in 14-piece style. These are really pretty, and they're almost like velvety vibes. Like if you see them, they're like almost like textured. And you know what, I can pop some on maybe like before I go. These are really cute, so I did go ahead and buy these here. I love that each color comes with two as well. I love that. You get like such a variety of shades. You get like this beautiful pale pink one, a hot pink, this like beautiful purple lilac. You get like this deeper purple. You get another purple in here. You get like this sea moss green. And then we get another pale pink vibe at the bottom. Also did come across these here. These are hair clips. So these are just like, these are like the hair, what is this, creaseless hair clips or whatever. I feel like sometimes they still leave a crease, but I like to have these in my collection, so I went ahead and picked up this like pale pink set. They also do have like purple set as well, and I did already own these. However, I think some of them broke, so I only have like one or two, so I just went ahead and repurchased them. These are not like the best quality, you know, they're not gonna last the longest, but they're cute. They're just cute to have. So I bought the 4-pack, and these also do come in gray as well. All right, let's get into the makeup products that I picked up. I came across these two glosses at the Dollar Tree. We have the What a Beaut Lip Envy lip glosses. I cannot choose like what color to get because they had a pink one, they had these two, they had like one other shade that was more burgundy. So I don't know, I couldn't decide. So I picked up this purpley one because it looks like it's a clear lip gloss. And this is the Lip Envy lip gloss, moisturizes and softens the lips. And it just says lip gloss. It doesn't have any type of shade or anything on it, but from the picture it looks like it's going to be a clear gloss. And then this one here is more of almost like a rosy shade. I don't know how to say, like a dirty rose shade. I don't know the words, but it looked really pretty, so I went ahead and picked up this one here. And again, it had like the picture of the shade, so let's see if that's accurate. I just really liked the packaging. There's the purpley one. I'm telling you, these look so cute. I love this packaging, and again, I think they're trying to dupe some other brand. I don't know what it is, but again, the lip gloss, it moisturizes and softens in this clear shade. Oh, look at the applicator. It's like nice and clear. It's like almost circular. Oh yeah, so this is a clear kind of formula, and it does feel like nice and thick. Okay, girl, that's cute. It has like no type of scent to it. Let's go ahead and swatch this one here. Again, living for this packaging. It's like bulky vibes. The applicator. Oh, dusty rose is what I was trying to say. It is like a dusty rose kind of moment, but you know what, now that I'm looking at it outside the packaging, it's giving purple vibes as well, like a mauve kind of tone. So there's the clear and there's the purpley mauve one. They look really nice, so I can't wait to try these out. And you can even like leave them standing on your desk because they have that flat end. That's cute. Lastly, we did come across these Golden Girl lip glosses. I just went ahead and picked all of them up. There's only 4, and of course today I go on Instagram, and somebody I follow, they post Dollar Tree finds as well, and they found some with like their actual faces on them. They look really cool, but I really love the gloss line that comes in the same packaging, so I hope that it's that same formula. So first off, we have the Golden Girls Buildable Color High Shine Formula Vibrant Pigment Effortless Glam lip gloss. So this one here is in Palm Peach. We have the one in Paradise Pink. I love this shade so far, so I'll see how it looks when I swatch it. This pinky one in Miami Glam. I've never watched the show, so I don't know the names. I'm surprised they didn't put the names on here of each character. And then we have Shady Pines. These did come with 2 shimmer glosses and then 2 just regular glosses. So there's a look at those. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch the shimmer glosses first. So the shimmer ones are the Paradise Pink and the Shady Pines. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch them. Especially this purple one was calling my attention. Oh, it has that long doe foot. Go ahead and swatch her. Ooh. It's like a beautiful like lilac tone. That's nice. I thought it was gonna be more shimmery, almost like my what was those called, the lip glosses that they saw with the princesses and the villains, the one with Ursula. Girl, that one's beautiful if you guys saw my Dollar Tree collection. Next we have Shady Pines, which is this orangey tone. Oh, this one's a little less pigmented, but there's a look at that Shady Pines. Okay, let's see how these look. So these are just their regular style lip glosses. The one in Palm Peach and Miami Glam. So their pinkier ones are just part of their normal line. So I'm gonna swatch Palm Peach first. Oh, Okay, that's nice. And lastly, we have this one in Miami Glam, this beautiful hot pink shade. Let's see how it looks. Oh, okay, just the regular glasses are doing it for me. They're beautiful. So these are the shimmer and these are the non-shimmer. And I hope the formulation is good with these, because I don't know if you guys watched my top 10 Dollar Tree favorites recently. I love the glosses that come in this kind of packaging, so I hope that's the same formula, but so far so good with the swatches. And with that, girl, that was the last product in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I do have a Dollar Tree playlist. It's a massive one. It's going to be linked down below if you want to watch some of my past videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Also, if you can hype this video if you like it, of course, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.